Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Sisterhood Solidarity, Affirmations for Empowerment, a journey of solidarity and empowerment brought to you by And Yet She Thrived. Today, we invite you to embrace the richness of diversity and celebrate the interconnectedness of all women. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, allowing yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Let's begin by grounding ourselves with a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling slowly through the mouth. Self-love is the foundation of empowerment. It is about nurturing yourself, honoring your needs, and embracing all aspects of who you are with compassion and acceptance. Let's begin our journey. I honor and celebrate the diversity within myself and others, recognizing that our differences make us stronger. Take a moment to let these words sink in. Embrace the beauty of diversity and recognize the strength that comes from unity. Repeat after me. I embrace my unique identity and recognize that all parts of who I am are valid and deserving of respect. Embrace your uniqueness and celebrate the beauty of who you are. You are worthy of love, respect, and acceptance exactly as you are. I acknowledge the intersectionality of my experiences and understand that my journey is shaped by various aspects of my identity. Your experiences are shaped by the intersection of your various identities. Embrace the complexity of your journey and honor the unique perspective that you bring to the world. Repeat after me. I stand in solidarity with women of all races, ethnicities, sexual orientations, abilities, and backgrounds, recognizing the importance of amplifying marginalized voices. Stand in solidarity with your sisters and amplify their voices. Together, we can create a world where all women are heard, seen, and valued. I commit to educating myself about issues of intersectionality and strive to be an ally to women from all walks of life. Educate yourself about the struggles and challenges faced by women from marginalized communities. Be an ally and advocate for change, using your privilege to uplift those who are often silenced or ignored. I refuse to be confined by societal expectations and stereotypes, embracing my full potential and breaking barriers in every aspect of my life. Break free from the limitations imposed by society and embrace your full potential. You are capable of achieving greatness in every aspect of your life. Repeat after me. I affirm my right to take up space and speak my truth, knowing that my voice matters and deserves to be heard. Your voice matters, and you have the right to take up space and speak your truth. Embrace your power and share your voice with confidence and conviction. I embrace my strength and resilience, drawing upon the wisdom of my ancestors and the power of sisterhood to overcome obstacles. Draw upon the strength and resilience of your ancestors and lean on your sisters for support and encouragement. Together, we can overcome any obstacle that stands in our way. I reject the notion of competition among women and instead choose to uplift and support my sisters in their endeavors. Lift each other up and celebrate each other's successes. There is enough success and abundance for all of us, and together, we can achieve greatness. Repeat after me. I honor the interconnectedness of all beings and strive to create a world where everyone can thrive, regardless of their background or identity. We are all connected, and we all deserve to thrive. Work towards creating a world where everyone is valued and respected, regardless of their background or identity. I celebrate the beauty of diversity and recognize that true empowerment comes from embracing the richness of our differences. embrace the beauty of diversity, and recognize that our differences make us stronger. True empowerment comes from embracing the richness of our differences and standing in solidarity with one another. I am committed to dismantling systems of oppression and creating a more just and equitable world for future generations. Stand up against injustice and work towards creating a more just and equitable world for future generations. Together, we can dismantle systems of oppression and create a world where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. Repeat after me. I embrace my role as a changemaker and advocate for social justice, using my voice and privilege to uplift marginalized communities. Use your voice and privilege to advocate for social justice and uplift marginalized communities. Be a changemaker and work towards creating a world where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. Repeat after me. I acknowledge my privilege and use it to amplify the voices of those who are often silenced or ignored. Use your privilege to amplify the voices of those who are often silenced or ignored. Stand in solidarity with marginalized communities and work towards creating a more inclusive and equitable world for all. Let's continue. I recognize that self-care is a radical act of resistance, and I prioritize my well-being as an act of defiance against systems of oppression. Prioritize your well-being as an act of defiance against systems of oppression. Practice self-care and self-love as a radical act of resistance, knowing that your well-being matters. Repeat after me. I refuse to internalize society's standards of beauty and worthiness, recognizing that my value is inherent and not dependent on external validation. Your value is inherent and not dependent on external validation. Refuse to internalize society's standards of beauty and worthiness, and embrace your inherent value and worth. Let's continue. I celebrate my achievements and successes, knowing that each milestone is a testament to my strength and resilience. Celebrate your achievements and successes, no matter how big or small. Each milestone is a testament to your strength and resilience, and deserves to be celebrated. Repeat after me. I honor the struggles and sacrifices of those who came before me and carry their legacy forward as I work towards a more equitable future. Honor the struggles and sacrifices of those who came before you and carry their legacy forward as you work towards a more equitable future. Their resilience and courage pave the way for your success. Repeat after me. I trust in my intuition and inner wisdom, knowing that I possess the knowledge and strength to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Trust in your intuition and inner wisdom, knowing that you possess the knowledge and strength to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Listen to your inner voice and follow its guidance with confidence and conviction. Let's continue. I am a powerful force for change in the world, and I embrace my role as a leader and advocate for social justice and equality. You are a powerful force for change in the world, and you have the ability to create positive change in your community and beyond. Embrace your role as a leader and advocate for social justice and equality, knowing that your actions have the power to make a difference. As we conclude our journey today, may you continue to cultivate empowerment, resilience, and solidarity in your daily life. Remember, you are powerful, you are worthy, and you are enough.